Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own homemade matcha. So first we're going to start with our ingredients. We have almond milk. You're going to need sweetener, a cup in which you're going to hold your matcha, and a cup of ice. How much ice you put into your cup is depending on how much ice you want in your drink. You're going to need your actual matcha powder. This was my choice in matcha just because it is organic. You are going to need a measuring cup measuring 1 cup. You're going to need a teaspoon and a tablespoon. And lastly, you're going to want to bring out a straw. Okay, so let's start. So first you're going to want to grab your cup of where you're going to put your matcha in, and you're going to need 2 tablespoons of water in your cup. So go ahead and microwave or boil, heat up those 2 tablespoons. If you microwave like I did, you're going to want to put it from 30 to 45 seconds depending on how warm you want it. Once we have your water is warmed up, you are going to grab your matcha and you're going to grab your teaspoon. You are going to grab 1 teaspoon of matcha and pour it into our cup. Okay. Once that is in there, you are going to grab your tablespoon and you are going to stir that. You're going to stir that until you feel like it is dissolved into the water. Okay, once you feel like that is done, you are going to grab your cup and you are going to fill that up with almond milk. And don't forget to shake your almond milk. So the reason that we are using almond milk today is because almond milk is high in fiber. You can use almond milk if you're lactose intolerant, and it helps regulate your blood sugar levels. Okay, we are going to pour our almond milk into that cup. And then we are going to stir that together. Just until it gets about a light greenish color. Okay, once you're done with that, you are going to grab you're going to grab 2 packets out of your box. And you are going to open those and go ahead and pour those into your milk. If you decide to do more than 2 packets, that also works. The reason I am doing 2 packets is because we want our almond milk to blend it well. We are going to stir that. And that, once again, it's until you feel that it's blended pretty well. Okay, once we have done that, we are going to grab our ice and we are going to pour that into, oops, be careful not to splash it all around. We are going to pour that into our matcha. Okay, once we have all of our ingredients in, we are going to grab our straw and we're going to stir that all together. So this will be probably your longest stir, just to make sure that everything is dissolved, blended in well, and that everything just mixed well. So some good things about matcha is that matcha has very high natural antioxidants, which it does have caffeine, but it has significantly less caffeine than coffee. It helps calm your nerves, and it is not addicting. So once we feel like we've stirred enough, once we feel like, your drink is mixed, you can kind of look at the bottom, see if everything's dissolved. If you see any green left, you can go ahead and try your matcha. And that's how you make your own homemade matcha.